without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences.
Great. So here, this is where we can begin. And you see us all smiles, and we are all smiles, because for the company Affiliate Marketing 3.0, we are at a very, very special space. And I hope that the presentation that I give you today, especially for those of you who were here yesterday, you will see how complete this ecosystem is starting to become. And therefore, you can ask yourself a few questions, especially if you're here for the very first time. Let's answer. What are your reasons to start any business or grab any opportunities? Most people that I know, they are primarily motivated by one of two questions. It's either I want to win something, I want to make a gain, or I want to avoid something, I want to avoid the pain. Well, think about it for you for a second. What is your motivation in your driving? And whilst you're doing that, I can share with you the question, are you ready to discover how a reliable and incredible unicorn projects are changing lives worldwide? Or how we transform the affiliate industry with trust, transparency, and a decentralized ecosystem? Or how our fintech company empowers people to leverage in the DeFi world with amazing technologies? Or how our products come from DeFi and AI space and are benefiting members to capitalize on this crypto bull run? This presentation is going to give you answers to those questions, and that should help you to have a conversation with the person that invited you here tonight. As Affiliate Marketing 3.0, we are a launchpad to groundbreaking products. We connect innovative products to a community-driven market space. Community is at the center of our company, together with development. And with a vision to transform the affiliate marketing industry, we are delivering sustainable and rewarding products in the following domain: blockchain innovation, artificial intelligence, market possibilities, and decentralized finance. And all of that is possible because we are in the hands of an amazing founder. His name is Chavez. He is our CEO of Affiliate Marketing 3.0. Originally from India, he's spearheading a thriving BTC20 smart chain, delivering innovative technologies and projects to a strong community of blockchain and crypto enthusiasts. And right now, we are again in the middle of a next product that is about to come to the market. And at every launch that I have been following from the beginning, from the very first training that I was part of, I have seen the compassion towards people around the world and the financial ecosystem. I have seen ambition to drive Affiliate Marketing 3.0 to the forefront of development in Web3 and AI. And therefore, it is no surprise that he is also found in magazines, for example, like India Forbes, where Chavez Anwar is driving the future of digital payments. And there's a whole article about Liquid Pay, one of the projects we will show later. And from there, he's just already been growing from strength to strength. And we are growing with him. So a choice to participate is a choice for growth. Affiliate Marketing 3.0 project can roughly be classified into two categories. The first is decentralized finance product, and the second is centralized finance product. And the projects that are falling within the decentralized finance product are BTC miners, node subscriptions, Liquid Pay crypto card, Dodo licenses. And you can start in DeFi from $50 per license. In the centralized finance product, we're first of all talking about Capital 3.0 as an early investment into seed rounds of potential unicorn, and soon protocol yield, PI as we call it, which is capitalizing on trading. And within the centralized products, you can start from $100. And the further difference between those two groups is that DeFi gives you 300% income potential from affiliate marketing, and CFI product gives you 500% income potential. And therefore, you're having products that are self-generative in the income, but also a system that allows you to generate income. So it's a very complete opportunity that is here in front of you. Today, we're focusing on the product side for you to understand what is the value of these products. So let's explore first our decentralized finance product. And then to not repeat the blockchain projects that were presented yesterday, I am starting now with Liquid Pay. Liquid Pay is our crypto credit card. And welcome to blockchain-powered spending. And what is a crypto credit card? It basically creates a seamless crypto conversion so that you can place your crypto on the card, but you can use your card in any space, either an online shop, an ATM, or wherever you are in the world where dollar-denominated funds are allowed, in a shop where you simply at the till want to pay for groceries, or perhaps, I don't know, buy your next earphones or something like that. You know, it is allowing you to move crypto from purely a saving or an investment space towards a spending and a day-to-day livelihood space. And we are having our system set up that we are globally accessible, and that is at the moment through Visa, where we are able to access over 100 million merchants worldwide. But with Chavez, the way it works is you need to read his ambition, and then he gives you his first momentum step, and from there, often it further expands. And it's instant payments. Chavez produces payment systems that are fast, that are on the forefront of speed, because in all these changes, time counts. So the card offers fast transactions without banking delays, easy, fast, and efficient liquid pay. So can you imagine yourself watching Netflix and knowing that you've paid it with your credit card, with your crypto credit card? Or perhaps treat your family on a KFC or a McDonald's, especially kids love it. It's possible. And it's possible securely because we have a high level of compliance. We do rigorous KYC. We give a digital wallet integration. And that's really unique. That will be the trend in the future from credit cards. And we give you both a virtual and a physical card. And why is liquid pay card important? First of all, you're getting self-custodian wallet. You are your own master of your money matters. That's the education we want to give you. The more you can control your own life, your own expression through your money that you either have earned or saved, or the spending that you want to do, the better it is. There shouldn't be anyone sitting at any button that can decide when you are allowed or not allowed to spend. If you've got it, if it's yours, you should be able to make decisions about it. And then it's a pathway towards international banking, borderless transfer of funds, introducing neobanks, the future of banking, off-ramp services, withdraw crypto to your bank, lending and borrowing, credit functionality, deposit and withdrawal, fiat, make crypto access easy. And it's not just spending. You can also earn rewards on your spending. And you can get up to 30% cash back on your own spending. We have 3 types specifically from the people that are, specifically from your friends and family who have bought the card directly from you. We have 3 versions. We have liquid choice. We have liquid choice, liquid prime, and liquid platinum. Liquid choice is $100, liquid prime $500, and liquid platinum is $1,000. The difference between them is, first of all, the single transaction limit. 10,000 for choice, 50,000 for prime, and 100,000 for platinum. And there's also a different percentage in terms of earning your cash back from friends to family. It goes to 0.1% with choice, 0.2% with prime, and 0.3% to liquid platinum. But the actual cashback from your own spending, that's no different for the card. The system is the same. That just depends on the tier you are. If you have 2 directs, then you are tier 1 and you can get 1% cashback. If you have 5 directs, you're tier 2 and you get 2% cashback. If you have 10 directs, you're tier 3 and you can get 3% cashback. So up to 3% cashback on your own spending. And that's with the simplicity of using a card. Crypto is limited. Your crypto spending should also be. Liquid pay card. It's your new digital wallet. And then we go to Dodo. Dodo is absolutely amazing. It is the index trading, and it is the NASDAQ of DeFi index trading. You can already test this out. It is live, but even if you just want to have a look at it, it is on d0d0.app. And it is absolutely worthwhile following the trades that are happening. And how should you see the concept of Dodo? Dodo is a little bit like if you started for the first time on the stock exchange. You go to a stock exchange and you don't know which shares you should actually invest in. So some of these exchanges are making it easy for you, and they create a basket, for example, a basket for mining assets. So instead of you needing to know what is the best mining company, you can take the whole basket and assume that if you think that it is the right cycle, that you're profiting with an average industry norm. The beauty about what Dodo does is Dodo is purely focused on crypto assets. It's creating indexes from crypto assets, but it's not like you're only getting the baskets, which is the average value. You're also getting the actual crypto assets in under your control. So you can therefore sell them or hold them. And that is amazing, making it amazing. So we are a pioneer in DeFi index trading, and we provide real-time market updates because that's what is one of the strengths of our team. And again, decentralized custody, always in control of your own money and your own future. And then there are some exclusive features. So you can create your own indexes if that's what you're good at. And if someone else is going to follow you, you even share index profits. There's zero gas fee on the base network, which is amazing because that allows you to trade as often as you want to. And therefore you can actually follow also what we call short scalping strategies. And there will soon be Dodo margin trades. This is what it looks like. It is fresh, it is easy to read, it's easy to follow. You can see here that it was overall 60% on the indexes. That is 24-hour was 6.9, 7 days, and 30 days. And with every index, you can see that constantly. The top products are here on the top, and then there's a whole menu of other products below that. And you can see the assets before you purchase, and then you can buy it. To be able to get access, you purchase via Affiliate Marketing 3.0, the Dodo license, and then you get a 100x index buying limit with any subscription. And that's really important because I just said to you, you can think like a trader. Once you have that limit, you can, and because the fees are so low, you can make multiple trades and create a compounding margin. So the Dodo starter starts with $100 and goes up to 10,000 in index buying limit, both on Base and Ethereum blockchains. Dodo beginner is 500, it becomes 50,000, and then goes to the Dodo expert, which is 25,000, and it goes all the way to 2.5 million index buying limit, both on Base and Ethereum. Those are more the traders that are like running this as a business. That's how professional our products are. The power of DeFi is in your hand. Revolutionizing crypto investments with Dodo, secured, transparent, decentralized. And having a feel for the decentralized finance products, let's now explore our centralized finance products. And specifically tonight, we're focusing on Capital 3.0. Capital 3.0 is early access to potential unicorn projects. But for me, it is also the roadmap for the affiliate marketing 3.0 ecosystem. And slowly, people who have been following this already a little bit further, they have seen that ecosystem being revealed. And what is the essence of Capital 3.0? You are allowed to participate via the purchasing of packs that give you Capital 3.0 tokens to participate in strategic future-proof investments that have been pre-qualified through our association with Tier 1 investor networks. And Chavez has created an amazing value proposition for these parties. He has said, I understand what it takes to create a unicorn. It means that an idea with a top team of developers has been identified in early stages, and they are being nurtured. They're being nurtured through money, through access to resources, to access to networks. And in that way, the company has gotten to a point that the top global investor community can say, we are willing to take you to a public offering. It's almost the same as going to the stock exchange, so normally everything around that needs to stay highly confidential, and therefore it's very difficult to make that a crowd based or community-based investment. But with a token system that Chavez has set up, paying that problem, because he said, I can work by proxy. So through a tokenized system, we are all part of the Capital 3.0 DAO, and we all give him, through voting, a proxy to take investments in specific unicorn categories. And through that, all of us, all we do is we simply collect tokens. And with that, we participate in these public offerings, and we have the capacity to make an incredible upside because we come in so early. And you might think, but why is this so interesting for the investors or even the unicorn people? Let me tell you that. It is because our community is a crypto positive community. It is a community that is, through its mechanism, willing to grow with the business. And for pioneers to get to a point that you can go to a listing, life changes after a listing. From being cocooned in your own space with your own decisions, you're suddenly in a market where everything is analyzed, everything is having a response in the market. So it is very good to have a community that is well versed in those trends and can actually give you the safety and the support for a period of time by coming in early and taking a linear investing process. And that combination is what made Chavez the genius proposal seeker here, and why I love this project. Now, from your side, what's really important is that you know that the products that you are investing in are products that are really relevant for the future, because that's always the risk. And therefore, there's a very clear profile identified. We are only investing in decentralized internet of blockchain or Web3 and AI projects that have gone through this rigorous pre-qualification process of our Tier 1 financiers funds. And Chavez has also checked himself because he's part of a broker program. That means that he has its own checks and balances he has to fulfill, both towards our DAO and towards these Tier 1 funders. And there's a little secret for you. Do you know who benefited the most from these early trends in technologies? It was the seeds, the funds, the early investors. They had first-hand information. They could therefore invest pre-launch and make the upside. And you know what? That's what we're offering you. And it's not an empty promise, because we can back it up with numbers. So the companies that we are working with, those Tier 1 funders, are here on your left-hand side. They are the funds. They have the funds. And they have launched all these projects, and these were their returns. So imagine that you would have been in June 18, a part of Capital 3.0, and you had one Capital 3.0 token of $1. It means you could have been able to swap that into 5 Solanas. And if you would have kept it to the highest point of 174, you would have made 550 times your investment per Solana. So that's amazing. And look at the numbers here. The lowest is a 13x, the highest is a 945x, and it's about 100x on average. And we are choosing projects that can get and set a target for a minimum of 5x. So it's a realistic expectation of profits. So there are stages to this seed investment, and it starts with the seed funding, which is a pre-launch event. The company needs to get its seed funding, it needs to bring the investors on board, and it creates a relationship with us. And Chavez is making sure that he negotiates, he evaluates, and he looks at how much is coming in from the community. And then he secures the allocation. So then he positions us with our investment, and we do that too. So at that moment, he also he gives us an instruction around the swap possibilities that are there. And at a particular moment, there is the token generation event, in which our Capital 3.0 tokens are actually swapped into the tokens of the unicorn. And then we're on our own. Then we are on the market in the open sea, and then we leverage the market trend. So here we make our return because we get extra tokens, and here we become masters in basically reading the markets and maximizing the value. So how does a return on capital cycle work? First of all, you buy a subscription, and we have a wide range of packages that suit your need, but we start with $100. And from that $100, there is vested capital. 65% is going to the structure of the subscriptions, but 35% is left and becomes vested capital. Therefore, there is a daily compounding that takes place at 2% from day one. And then that goes until 5x in return on capital is made, either from Capital 3.0 tokens or affiliate rewards. This is what it looks like. So you buy a subscription of $100, you get vested capital of $35, that starts compounding for 2% daily until 5x, which is $500 that is achieved, either from the tokens or affiliate marketing rewards, and then you rebuy a package or you go to a higher package. So the Capital 3.0 token is a stable coin. It is $1 for Capital 3.0, and these seed tokens are invested in potential unicorn projects. That's their purpose. The compounding rewards are received in token 3.0, and then the 3.0s are tokenized to DAO tokens. And you can see in the back office of Affiliate Marketing 3.0, your WAAS back office, how many tokens you have available to swap at any moment in time. Which has said allocations are here. They then get swapped into DAO tokens, and then they are swapped into the actual tokens of the unicorn. Like we had at Fina, which is amazing because it's going to be it's a paymaster, but it also helps in terms of the Ethereum blockchain payment systems. And then there is Koi, which is decentralized computing power. So it's two top development exactly in the target market where we said we would go with our unicorn projects. And you are sitting, or we are all sitting at the forefront on it. So we have seen the first increases already. We've seen the first effects of this already. And we are following this every month. And with Athena and Koi, specifically with Athena, for example, there the allocation was given over 24 months. So every month we are claiming for 24 months our allocation. And that means every allocation is also already at a different value, which is amazing. So how does it work? 35% is your vested fund, and it compounds at 2% daily. So that's an investment for your tokens for future. So $350 can become 5,000 in value tokens. But you can also claim your 5x with affiliate rewards because a certain amount comes from that. And that gives you your daily cash flow. So it's really beautifully synchronized between longer-term perspective and today, boots on the ground and food in the mouth. So let's look at some historical stats. I showed you the Solana example already, but imagine that it was a Terra token. Imagine that you had 25 tokens, Capital 3.0, and that you were swapping for Terra coins at 10 cents to the dollar. That would mean 250 Terra coins. And you would sell them at $85. That would mean you would have had 21,250 as a return on capital. So that's amazing. Now, same with Axie. Imagine that you would have had 25 tokens, Capital 3.0, and you would swap them into 312 Axie coins at 0.8 cents, $. And you would sell them 312 times $96, which is 29,952 as return on capital. Can you see the offering, the amazing opportunity? There are different packages for you to start. $100, $500, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, or $50,000. You choose what is the right level to start with. Early access to the next unicorn. Secure your position with Capital 3.0. Welcome to the future of CeFi investment. And this is only the beginning. Rashid, the floor is back to you. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Chantal, for that amazing presentation. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we were with the second day of the master presentation. Last night, we shared the BTCC blockchain as a product. We shared details about the nodes subscription, as well as we shared the business compensation plan. Today, Chantal, with her elegance and her knowledge and experience, she shared tonight the Dodo index trading platform, Liquid Pay, crypto credit card. That's one of the fantastic standalone product from our Affiliate Marketing 3.0. And then she gave her best insights on Capital 3.0, one of the finest product to make 5x of your capital. So this is Affiliate Marketing 3.0. It's where opportunities are shared in terms of very rewarding products. Some products are very exclusive that you will not find in any other blockchain or crypto project. So here is an opportunity for everybody to make the most of this crypto and blockchain space, especially when bull run is right on the edge. So this is Affiliate Marketing 3.0. We welcome each and everybody on board, especially the newcomers, as well as the existing community members. We are on the verge of exploring another wonderful, rewarding product, and that is Pi. Chantal, I would like to have your few more minutes, and I would really love to have your opinion, your feedback, your insights on Pi as well, the protocol yield. That is our latest product in our business suite. So please help us with the details of Pi. in very short, like a teaser, that you best you can. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashid. I think Pi is like the cherry on top. It is, first of all, it is giving a completely new foundation to our company, because we are now starting to work with banking systems, with high yield traders, and it is totally passive. So you can really make a decision whether you want to be entirely passive, decide how to build up a continuous income generator for you and your family and your next generation. And if next to that you love building up teams and you share it with your community, it is like an exponential explosion of opportunity. And it's simple. That's what Chavez always does. He makes it simple. It's complex to roll out, but it's simple to follow.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. And ladies and gentlemen, the Pi platform is right now live. And tomorrow we will be rolling out the subscriptions as well. The subscriptions will be live, and it is for everybody to do the KYC so that you can make the best use of the subscriptions. This is Pi Protocol Ale, our brand new product. Like Chantal mentioned, it is one of the fantastic opportunity to make passive benefits from a product. So these are the URLs, and the KYC will be live. KYC in fact is live. The subscription will be live from tomorrow. Please make sure that you are compliant, that you are KYC before the subscription goes live, because Chavez, like on tomorrow's call, is going to be introducing one of the best offer that he can provide on this Pi, that is Protocol EAL as well. So Chantal, thank you so much. It was a pleasure and honor to have you present this opportunity. And for rest of the community members, thank you so much for joining this call. It was the day 2 of the master presentation. Now tomorrow is going to be a very exclusive event, because tomorrow it's going to be a community call in which the CEO, the mentor, the prodigy, the technopreneur, he is going to be sharing insights on all the products that we have in-house, as well as he will give us all the updates on the existing and the latest products. Don't forget, tomorrow same time we will be live with the CEO himself, Mr. Chavez. That will be all for tonight. Thank you so much for joining this call. Once again, Chantal, thank you for the presentation. The panelist, the co-host, host, and everybody, thank you so much for joining. All the members, thank you for joining. And we'll see you again tomorrow, same time, with the same enthusiasm and with great details and great insights from the CEO himself. Have a great day and have the best week that you can. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you soon. Thank you.